Giving Tuesday is right around the corner, and I'm sure a lot of membership sites are wondering how they can get involved and leverage this opportunity for their nonprofit or association. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Donations add-on for Paid Memberships Pro alongside our Goals Progress bar to gamify donations for your Giving Tuesday fundraiser. Here I am in my basic WordPress site. It already has Paid Memberships Pro all set up with 3 membership levels. I'm going to start by adding the Donations add-on, and then I'm going to add our Goals Progress bar add-on, and then we'll see how that shows the donations that are being accumulated through the Giving Tuesday fund. So we'll set a minimum goal we want to reach and just see how that progress bar works. So I'm going to navigate to Memberships add-ons and search for Donations and install and activate. This is a plus level add-on, so you'll need a plus license to use this add-on. And I think while I'm here, I might as well install the Goals Progress bar. We're going to need that one later also. Cool. Okay. All right. So let's go to plugins and make sure these are active. These are both inactive plugins. So we're going to activate these both. Cool. All right. So now I'm going to go to membership settings and add a new level. This is going to be that donations level. So I'm just going to set it as like a one-time payment level. I'm going to call this Fundraising Drive 2023. We'll call it. Thank you. Cool. Okay. And let's scroll down. We won't make this expire. And then in the other settings is where we're going to set this as a donations level. So we're going to click Enable Donations. And we want this to be donations only. So people who are buying this that already have a membership level shouldn't have their level changed. The min amount of the donation will make $5. The max amount will just leave blank. And then you can also put a drop down that puts like a few tiers of levels. So we'll do 5, 25, 50, 100. We'll try to get people donating to this. So let's save that level. Perfect. So now we have our donation level done. Let's actually remove the initial payment so that there's no additional charges on that. Perfect. Okay, so here's our donation level. If we click to go to add signups for this, you can say it's a price for membership $0. You can make a gift. It has a drop down like I said here with these options, enter amount of $5 or greater, and then people can purchase. So that handles the donations piece. The next thing we want to do is add our goals progress bar. I'm going to add it right to the homepage of the site here. And we'll just change the page around a little bit. We'll say, welcome to our docs. You know, we're this Giving Tuesday. Try to think of something that's appropriate for this. Cool. So let's add our goals here. So it does have a WordPress block, so you can insert it with the block editor. If you don't have the block editor, it does have a short code also. So we're going to make this a revenue goal, and we're going to track it against our fundraising drive. Let's make the goal $50,000. And then you can add some text for before and after. You don't have to put this in, so we're not going to do that. And you can also filter it by date. But since this is a level we're only going to have available during this time, we're not going to do that. So that's our goal. Let's just see how it looks on the front end of the site. That update. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's view the page. So right now we have $0 of 50,000 done. I'm actually going to put it in the group block so it's not so large. This group block, like this. Let me drag this guy in, and then it'll be a little more narrow because it looked really wide, didn't it? Okay. Okay, so here's our goal. We have raised $0 at $50,000. I think one more thing we want to edit on this. Maybe let's make this go right to that donation. We'll donate. And then this would be level, I think 4. Let's double check what level it is. Yep, level 4. Okay, cool. So we have a button on the homepage. Go right to checkout, donate now. We have our goal progress bar in place. So let's donate and just see what happens. I'm on the homepage now. The goal, obviously, we haven't raised any money yet toward our goal, but let's click donate now. I do already logged into a user with a membership of the site. So we'll just show you how this doesn't override the user's membership level. So I'm going to contribute $100. My company name. Okay, so we check out. It's going to charge me $100 and my membership count. If I view my account, you'll see my membership is still professional. That didn't change. I have an invoice for this fundraising contribution I added for my membership. And if I go back to the homepage now, you'll see we reached $100 of our $50,000. We could keep iterating that so you can see how the progress bar kind of increases. Just for the sake of this demo, I'll lower this to $500. So you'll see we'll have a fifth of the bar should be filled up now because of this fundraising. So a goal like that is a really cool way to show that people are contributing, that there's activity happening in the site. You can use it also not just for a revenue goal, which is what we did here, but a number of members goal, like a numeric number of members or a number of sales for the account. So it's a really simple thing to drop in. It uses the same payment gateway as your membership, but it's just charging one-time payments, not changing membership levels, and there are some emails you can customize for people. So that's the Giving Tuesday idea I have for membership sites, where there's a philanthropic component, where there's a fundraising drive component. It's an easy way to drop into an existing Pia Pro website to get that going for your Giving Tuesday promo. I'm Kim Coleman. Give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos I'm releasing, or if you have an idea for a new video, just be sure to reach out. Thank you so much.